Hi darlings, welcome to olyscuisines channel. So how are you all doing? And I hope you're pumped for this video, for what I'm about to show you. You're going to enjoy this video. If you don't know, this is a popular soup in the southeastern part of Nigeria. You're going to love this if you haven't tried this, so stay with me, okay? All these are the ingredients we need: the goat meat, cocoyam, oha leaves, dry fish, stockfish, peppers, something called ogiri, crayfish, and this is the cocoyam. I've just put it on fire. You want to see how that process went? I have a video on it. You can check my playlist. If you can't find it, let me know. I'll point in the right direction. And this is just plucking of the oha leaves, right? There's also a detailed video on that. You can check my videos. So now I've just put the goat meat on fire, put salt, seasoning, and fresh pepper. Using fresh pepper to season the meat, it really helps. So like I let this steam for about 6 minutes and added water, just enough to cover the meat a bit, and then let that cook for about 10 minutes. And after that, I added the okporoko, the stockfish head, right? And added some more water to cover it. So now I cooked it until the meat was soft. Immediately the meat was soft enough for me, I added the blended cocoyam, put in the oil. At this point, you just basically put in everything except the ora leaves. So this is Uziza leaves, and this actually helps a lot with the taste. If you want to enjoy ora leaves, you have to use stockfish, you have to use dry fish, you have to use enough crayfish, you have to use Uziza leaves, and most importantly, you have to use what you just saw me put in the pot, and that is called ogiri. So that's one of the things that really elevates the taste. So after I've put in everything, I let it cook. And this is what it looks like. It looks so beautiful. You need enough palm oil for you to like get this kind of color, which also helps with the taste. If you don't use enough palm oil, you're not really going to like what it's going to taste like or how it's going to look. So after it has cooked together, I just added the ora leaves. And if you noticed, as I added the ora leaves, I didn't stir immediately. You just cover it and like let it steam, then like for about 3 minutes, and then opened it, stirred everything, adjusted the seasoning, and this is it. This is me dishing it. This was so good. I enjoyed this with fufu, and it was so good. I'm not a soup person. I'm not much of a soup person, but every single time I make ora, it is so lovely. Okay, try this and let me know. I'll see you guys. Okay.